Hi guys, welcome to bestwebteacher.com. Today in this video I am going to show you how to recover this site. You can see this site's logo is not showing, and also site contents are not showing properly. Other pages also I need to check. Okay, other pages working fine, but in home page some contents are not showing. Other pages is okay, as I can see. If you also having the same problem, just follow the process. Hope you will get back your site properly. This site is built in WordPress. I am just going to open WordPress admin. First we need to check it's opening or not. Okay, admin is working fine, but site is not working properly. To solve this type of problem, we need to access cPanel or your hosting access. I have cPanel access. I already opened the cPanel access. If you have cPanel access, just open it, and after that just search here PHP and click on multi PHP manager. Actually the problem is server automatically update the PHP version. It's in 8.1, but we need 7.3. just click here and change the version 8.1 to 7.3. just click on apply. Okay, successfully it's updated. Now I am going to refresh my website. Now you can see the site is working fine. All contents are working, banners, sidebars, also all the posts are working now. The server is automatically updated your PHP version. That's why the problem. Now you can change the logo also from admin. If you have that logo, well and fine. Otherwise, just go to your theme option or in general setting. I think it's in general settings or in logo settings. Okay, it's in logo settings. Okay, this is the logo, but logo is not working. And just save it once again in my desktop. Okay, after that just remove it, and again I am going to upload the same logo. Select it and again remove it. Again remove all previous logos. Okay, just click on save changes. After that again I am going to refresh my website. I think some cache and cookie problem is there, maybe. I am going to open it in new browser. Okay, you can see it's working fine now. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel and like this video. Again I'll come up with a new video. Till then, take care and have a nice day.